Okay, welcome to Skydiving Interlaken.
Yay!
What's your name?
Michelle.
Hannah.
I'm Richo, and we have a Sancho, and we are about to jump out of a helicopter with you guys. How are you feeling about it?
Terrifying but exciting.
Excited.
Whose idea was it?
Her
Mine idea.
And is it a special occasion or just for fun?
It's on our wish list.
Yeah.
All right, high five, have fun, and we'll see you guys up there.
Sure.
Oh yeah.
Simple, no. Someday you're gonna see the things that I see. You're gonna want the air that I breathe. You're gonna wish you never left me. Here we go again. Another go round for all of my friends. Another non-stop, will it ever end? Here we go again.
last year, Hannah?
It's so fun. I would definitely do it again.
Yeah?
Yes.
Awesome. What was the best part?
The free fall.
Yeah?
Yes.
And how good was the jumping out part?
It wasn't scary. It was
Yeah.
fun.
Yeah.
It was very fun.
Alright, hey, good work. Thanks for jumping Skydiving Interlaken. Yeah.